welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy. If you're new here, then welcome. And if you're coming back for another video, thank you so much for watching. I am so excited that you guys are here. Today's video is going to be a cook with me type video, and we're gonna be making 4 different appetizers for Thanksgiving. So if you are the type of person that has to go to several different families like me, we go to both sets of my grandparents on Thanksgiving. So I thought this is a wonderful idea to do maybe Thanksgiving appetizers for our first get together and then do a full meal for the second get together. So today is gonna be just some appetizers that I think would be super easy to make for Thanksgiving. Today's video is also a collaboration with my friend Krista, and we got to meet up this past weekend. I don't know if y'all saw my video from yesterday, but we did a whole Savannah vlog. We had a bunch of girls come meet up in Savannah, and it was a big YouTube meetup. And I got to meet Krista in person. We've been friends for months, but we finally got to meet up in person, and you guys will absolutely love her channel. She does lots of vlog style videos, lifestyle, all kinds of different things. She has the cutest little family, and she's gonna be doing some appetizers for you guys today for Thanksgiving as well. So make sure that you go check out her video as soon as you get done watching mine, and subscribe to her channel as well. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And if you're new, I would love to have you guys subscribe. And also, I wanna know down in the comments below what your favorite Thanksgiving food is. Mine is probably the turkey, just because I love the turkey and I love eating leftover turkey for sandwiches the next week or however long it lasts. So definitely let me know what your favorite is down in the comments. All right, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. All right, so the first appetizer that we're gonna make is the bacon wrapped stuffing bites, and you're gonna preheat your oven to 375 degrees and then prepare your stuffing mix however you usually like to prepare it. I'm just using the box. And then get your bacon, and you're going to lay them out on your baking sheet and then cut your bacon in half. Next, you're just gonna take spoonfuls of your stuffing mix and place it on top of your bacon, and then wrap your bacon and put it together with a toothpick, and then you're going to bake it for about 25 minutes or until your bacon is cooked. These little bacon bites were so delicious and super easy and didn't take long at all. The next appetizer that we're making are spinach pastry puffs, and you're just going to take some softened cream cheese, an egg, a tablespoon of olive oil, a teaspoon of dill weed, and then you're going to mix it all together. Then in a separate bowl, you're gonna have your cooked spinach that's already prepared, some feta cheese, and I used about 3/4 cup of feta cheese, dump it in there, and then about 2 tablespoons of bacon pieces. Then you're gonna dump in your cream cheese mixture and mix it all together. Next, I'm just spraying down my muffin tin, and I used a regular muffin tin, and then I'm gonna cut up this puff pastry into 9 squares, place them inside of the muffin tin, and then start filling those little pieces with your mixture. For this recipe, you want your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you're gonna cook it for about 20 minutes or until it is done. These little pastries are so delicious. I have not made these before, and I absolutely love them. The next appetizer that I'm doing is something sweet, and I just went ahead and got the ready-made pie crust, and I'm using a little cutter to cut out 2-inch circles, and then I'm gonna put them on the muffin tin while the muffin tin is upside down. And this is actually a mini muffin tin because we're making mini pumpkin pies. And then we're gonna put this in the oven on 425 for about 8 minutes until the little pie crusts are done. Now in a separate bowl, we're gonna put our vanilla pudding mix, and then we're gonna put in about 1.5 cups of milk. Next, you're gonna need 15 ounces of the pumpkin puree, and I only used half of this jar because I had too much. Then you'll need 2 tablespoons of pumpkin spice and mix it all together. When your pie crusts are done, you're gonna pull them out and let them cool off for a few minutes, and then put them on a separate tray and start filling them with your pumpkin pie mixture. These little pumpkin pies can be made ahead of time, and you can actually keep them in the fridge for up to 3 days, and then when you are ready to serve, you can put a little bit of Cool Whip on top, and they are bite-sized little sweet pumpkin pies. Last recipe, you're gonna need Townhouse crackers, some cheddar cheese, and then I got Colby and Monterey Jack cheese and pepperoni, which you could use whatever meat you want to, whatever cheeses you want to, whatever crackers, and you're gonna just kind of build your turkey platter. So I started by cutting out the body and the head of the turkey using the 2 different cheeses, and then I cut up the rest of my cheeses into little squares. Now all you have to do is form your turkey, and I started by layering with crackers, then the cheese, then the pepperoni, then the other cheese, then more pepperoni, and then of course the turkey's little body. And then I took a piece of pepperoni, rolled it up to make the waddle, and then I ended up using black cookie icing to make eyes, and I cut out a piece of the white part of the cheese for the beak. So all of these appetizers were so easy to make. They didn't take long at all. I actually cooked them all in one morning and edited this video in the same day. So I hope that you guys definitely enjoyed these little recipes and will try them out for yourselves. Don't forget to go check out Krista's channel and check out her 4 appetizers that she's making for Thanksgiving. Subscribe to both of us if you are not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy Thanksgiving!